Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making Mexican street corn salad. For our ingredients for our dressing, we have lemon juice, mayonnaise, ground cumin, smoked paprika, kosher salt, and black pepper. For your salad ingredients, we have sweet corn, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, grated, cilantro, red bell pepper, sliced green onions, red onions, jalapeno pepper, garlic pepper, and crumbled cojita cheese. I hope I'm saying that right. In a small bowl, we're going to combine all our dressing ingredients, which is our mayonnaise, salt, paprika, lime juice, black pepper, and cumin. We're going to mix these ingredients together. You want to set aside your dressing. You can make your dressing ahead of a time and chill it until you are ready to use it. So we are making sure that our ingredients are incorporated well. You want to make sure you get that mayo mixed in really good with your ingredients. So we're going to move on to making our salad. In a large skillet, we're going to heat up some olive oil over high heat. Once your skillet is hot, you want to add in your corn kernels. And you want to cook it anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. You want to stir occasionally. Once some of your kernels are nicely charred, you could turn off the heat. So now we're going to add our corn to a bowl. Now we're going to add our Parmesan cheese. We're going to add our cilantro, our chopped fresh cilantro. Now we're moving on to adding our bell peppers, which I use green and orange. Now we're going to add our chopped green onions. And we're going to move on to adding our chopped red onions. Here we're going to add our garlic powder. Here I'm just mixing it up a little. Now we're going to add our dressing to the top. You can add as much as you like or as little as you like. And we're just going to mix that in. I'm mixing it in to see if it's... I didn't want to add too much dressing, but I wanted to add just enough dressing. I want to taste all of my fresh ingredients in my salad. Now we're going to add our cotija cheese, or you could use feta cheese. And now we're going to top it with a little bit of our jalapeno peppers. And here I'm just adding some more green onions. And once you toss your salad, you can add some more cojita cheese. You can serve this at room temperature, or you can put it in the refrigerator and serve it as a chilled salad. We have made Mexican street corn salad. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.